Hello, my name is R.K. Das and I have been working with SAP sales and distribution for the last 20 years across implementation, upgrade and S4HANA migrations in industries ranging from manufacturing, steel, power, coal, mines, automotive to consumer goods to pharmaceutical. So, in 2 decades, I have sat on both sides of the interview table as a candidate early in my career, and for the last 15 years, as someone who has interviewed hundreds of SAP consultants, I know exactly what interviewers are looking for, and more importantly, I know where most candidates fall short. Today I am going to walk you through the top 100 SAP SD interview questions, the real questions with complete answers organized by a topic, whether you are a fresher stepping into your first SAP SD project, a functional consultant preparing for a senior role, or someone switching from another module. This session is for you. We will cover 11 topics areas: fundamentals, organizational structure, master data, sales order management, pricing and conditions, shipping and delivery, billing and invoicing, credit management, special business processes, integration and configuration, and finally S4 HANA and advanced topics. So keep a notebook beside you. Pause wherever you need to and do not just memorize these answers, understand them, and an experienced interviewer will ask follow up questions, and your depth of understanding is what sets you apart. So, let us begin. In the section 1, SAP SD fundamentals, we'll understand some of these questions which are the that interviewer opens with basic questions. So they seem simple, but I have seen candidates with 5 years of experience fumble these because they never stop to anticipate what they actually do every day, or articulate this type of question, not expecting regularly. So, SAP sales and distribution. Let's begin with some fundamental questions. So, first question would be like, what is SAP SD? SAP SD, you can answer like SAP Sales and Distribution or SD is one of the core modules of SAP ERP. It handles every aspects of the sales process from the moment a customer inquiry arrives all the way through to billing and payment receipt. Especially SD manages sales order processing, pricing and discounts, shipping and transportation, billing and invoicing, and credit management. It integrates tightly with materials management, financial accounting, controlling, and production planning. When I explain SD to new consultants, I use this phrase: SD is the revenue engine of the business. Every rupee the company earns passes through this module. So, what do you think? You can comment below. Next, what are the key components of SAP SD? These are six major components we go through the SAP SD: sales order management, pricing and conditions, shipping and transportation, billing and invoicing, credit management, ATP available to Promage. In sales order management, we are creating and processing sales orders, quotations, contracts. Second, in pricing and conditions, determining prices, discounts, surcharges, taxes, automatically using the condition technique. In third, shipping and transportation, managing outbound deliveries, picking, packing, and goods issue. Fourth, billing and invoicing, where we are generating customer invoices and credit debit memos. Fifth, in the credit management, we are going to control credit limits, blocking of risky orders like this. In ATP, available to promise, checking whether stock is available for a requested delivery date. Each of these components is configured separately, but they all work together as one seamless process. What is the difference between, next question comes, what is the difference between SAP SD and SAP CRM? This is a question interviewers use to test whether you understand where your module sits in the landscape. Like SAP SD is a back office transactional module inside ERP. It processes actual business transactions, orders, deliveries, invoices. Whereas SAP CRM, you can answer like customer relationship management, which is a front office relationship tool. It manages lead generation, opportunity tracking, campaign management, customer services, and interaction history. Think of it this way: a salesperson uses CRM to track a deal. Once that deal is won and the customer places an order, SD takes over to fulfill it. In modern S/4HANA landscapes, the integration between these two is much tighter, but the functional boundary remains the same. Next question, explain the order to cash process in SAP SD. This is perhaps the most important question in all SAP SD. If you can explain the O2C cycle fluently, you demonstrate end-to-end thinking, which is what senior roles demand. The cycle has 7 steps. You people probably aware of this. First one is the customer inquiry. The customer wants information about the product or price. In SAP, this is a document type. Standard document type is used, IN, inquiry, for inquiry. Then step 2, quotation. We provide a formal offer with the price and delivery dates. Document type here is used, QT. Next, step 3, sales order. The customer accepts and places an order. This is the central document in SD. So here document type is used OR for standard orders. Step 4, outbound delivery. We create a delivery document referencing the sales order, which triggers picking and packing in the warehouse. Step 5, goods issue. Stock is physically moved out of the warehouse. This is the moment inventory is reduced in and COGS is posted in FI. Step 6, customer invoice. The billing document is created, which posts to financial, accounting, debiting, and to the customer, and account receivable, account AR account. Step 7, payment receipt. The customer pays, the AR is cleared in FI. Each step creates a document that references the previous one. This is what we call the document flow, and it gives complete traceability from inquiry to payment. Next, what is a sales organization? The sales organization is the highest organizational unit in SAP SD. It is the legal entity responsible for selling goods and services. So, in sales organization, key points are it is assigned to exactly one company code. All sales organization happen within a sales organization. It is the primary key for access to pricing, customer, and material data. In practices, a large corporation may have multiple sales organizations, perhaps one for domestic sales and another for export. Each operates somewhat independently within the system. So, friends, if you want such type of interview question, I have made a complete PDF file of 100 interview questions. So if what you will do to get this complete PDF file, you can send a WhatsApp message on my WhatsApp Just write interview questions. I will send you all. Thank you.